I welcome you all for this session on awareness about open educational resources. Open educational resources are freely accessible, openly licensed text, media, and other digital assets that are useful for teaching, learning, and assessing as well as for research purpose. Some of the online educational resources are NPTEL, Swayam, NDLI, ePathshala, ePG Pathshala, eShodh Sindhu, eShodh Ganga, Shodh Gangotri, eGangosh, Vidwan, Vidyamitra, Diksha, NEET and ELIS. NPTEL. NPTEL stands for National Program for Technology Enhanced Learning. NPTEL is an initiative funded by MHRD, Government of India and coordinated by IIT Madras and other IITs. The central idea of this project is to put recorded lectures taught by its member institutions in online for open access. NPTEL has been offering self-study courses across engineering, humanities and science streams for more than a decade. SWIME. SWIME stands for Study Web of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. SWIME is an Indian massive open online course platform. SWIME is an initiative launched by MHRD under Digital India to give a coordinated stage and free entry to web courses covering all advanced education, high school, and skill sector courses. Learning in SWIME has four quadrants such as e-tutorial, e-content, discussion forums, and assessments. SWIME Prabha. It is an initiative of the MHRD. It provides 32 high quality educational channels through DTH. It has curriculum based course content covering diverse disciplines. NDLI. NDLI stands for National Digital Library of India. NDLI is a project under MHRD. NDLI is an all digital library that stores metadata about different type of digital contents including books, articles, videos, audios, thesis and other educational materials relevant for users from varying educational levels from primary to postgraduate levels. It provides a single window search facility to access digital contents currently existing in India as well as other digital sources under a single umbrella. ePathshala. ePathshala is initiated by MHRD jointly with NCERT. It provides access to all educational resources including textbooks, audio, video, periodicals and a variety of other print and non-print materials for students, teachers, parents, researchers and educators through website and mobile app. All the NCERT books have been digitized and uploaded. It enables participations in exhibitions, contests, festivals and workshops. ePG Pathshala. ePG Pathshala is a gateway to all postgraduate courses. It is an initiative of MHRD under its National Mission on Education through ICT executed by the UGC. The content and its quality being the key component of education system, high quality, curriculum based, interactive e-content in 70 subjects across all disciplines of social science, arts, fine arts and humanities, natural and mathematical sciences. eShodh Sindhu. It is a consortium for higher education electronic resources initiated by MHRD, executed by InfluentNet Center. eShodh Sindhu is formed by merging three consortia, namely UGC Infonet Digital Library Consortium, NLIST and Indus AICT Consortium. eShodh Sindhu provides current as well as archival access to more than 15,000 core and peer-reviewed journals and a number of bibliographic citation and factual databases in different disciplines from a large number of publishers and aggregators to its member institution, including centrally funded technical institutions, universities and colleges. eShodh Ganga. It is a digital repository of Indian electronic theses and dissertations. It is set up by the InfluentNet Center. It provides a platform for research students to deposit their PhD thesis and make it available to the entire scholarly community in open access. Shodh Gangotri. Shodh Gangotri is a repository of Indian research in progress. It provides details such as synopsis and the research proposals for the PhD program. Shodh Gangotri hosts synopsis of research topic submitted to the universities in India by research scholars for registering themselves for the PhD program. It reveals the trends and directions of research being conducted in Indian universities. It helps to avoid duplication of research. eGangosh. It is a national digital repository, share the digital learning resources developed by the open and distance learning institutions in the country. eGangosh has emerged as one of the world's largest educational resources repositories. It offers free, open access and is available to the world to facilitate self-learners and empower educators. Vidwan. Vidwan is the premier database of profiles of scientists, researchers, faculty members working at leading academic institutions and other R&D organizations involved in teaching and research in India. This database is developed and maintained by InfluentNet with financial support from the National Mission on Education through ICT. Vidyamitra. The InfluentNet Center has developed a web-based interface called Vidyamitra. It is an integrated e-content portal for all e-content projects developed and funded under the National Mission of Education through ICT. Diksha. Diksha stands for Digital Infrastructure for Knowledge Sharing. Diksha will serve as National Digital Infrastructure for Teachers. All teachers across nation will be equipped with advanced digital technology. Teachers can create, upload and view digital content relevant to their syllabus and use it to enhance student learning inside the classroom. NEET. NEET stands for National Educational Alliance for Technology. It is a scheme for using technology for better learning outcome. It is a public-private partnership formed between AICTE and the Education Technology Companies of India. NEET facilitates enhancement of the employability skills among students by collaborating with education technology companies. ELIS. ELIS stands for Enhancement in Learning with Improvement in Skills. AICTE designed ELIS portal to provide all students with content that not only enhance learning for regular subjects but also aims to build up valuable skill set as required in the actual work environment. Thank you.